Hi, ladies. I want to jump on here again and just talk about something that I mentioned on a previous video regarding the judgment of woman's pride. And so I was speaking of the scripture coming from Isaiah chapter 3, starting at verse 16. And it spoke about everything that makes a woman beautiful. And it gave a list. It kind of lists a lot of things that we love, and it mentioned how we purchase these things to get men to be attractive to us, and to also, get them to, agree to be in relationships with us. And so with our current behaviors, our pride, it is saying that, the judgment that will come, that we will be stripped. And it also mentioned how how shame will replace, our beauty. And so that is the reason why, right now I'm really passionate about, us having a conversation to address, these issues with how we're behaving, and how we can become better. Because right now the narrative that's against us regarding relationships and us being in relationships with men, they are terrible, and we are not having lasting relationships. So I want to really, come and find a way for us to begin to teach. And that is what Titus woman actually, that is what she's called to do, is to teach women. And so that is really my passion right now, is to teach and really just try to change the narrative that is about us right now, and just turn it around. We are meant to be loving. We are meant to be loving. We are meant to be caterers. Where the word is nurturers. There are a lot of value that we do bring to relationships. And so I want us to get to know those things, and so that we can go back to those things and just be a better version of women. Okay, so I just wanted to just jump on here real quick. So we'll talk some more again, and I'm looking forward to us sitting down and having a chat to become better women, to become greater women, and to become women who our men can be excited about having in their lives, and their helpmates. Okay, so stay tuned.